Glide is by far the simplest and the most powerful system we use. It's a great time saver. It's very, very intuitive. Hi, my name is Constantine Cherry. I'm the Communication and Digital Officer for a group called ManBow. ManBow is a family-owned group, so I'm the 6th generation. We have 50 shoe shops and 5 shoe brands, and so we've been created in 1844, and we're kind of luxury shoe brands, basically. I've studied government and economics in London, the LSE, and after 3 years there, I was called by my family to work in the business, at least to have a thought about it. I was planning to work in consulting, having time to spend a bit of time in the factories. I thought, well, there is something special about this business, about those people who are so passionate about their job. I need to give it a go. Our company was a bit different a few years ago. We have people that have been working in the company for 40 years. They've seen social media coming in, so lots of changes. But I thought the challenge was worth it. Rather small team because there are 20 of us at the head office. I take care of everything that has to do with the communication and digital. I bumped into Glide looking for a solution on startups' websites, and I thought, well, this is interesting. I probably need to dig into this, and so now I think we've been on Glide for 3 years now. I built it myself, bit by bit. It's very well made and intuitive, so now we're getting into more complex stuff, linking it to other systems, etc. Now I think I've built 5 or 6 apps. The first challenge was to share data, so we built a tab. COVID came in, so we thought maybe we could start doing some videos, sharing it on the news feed on the app. Now we have all of our shops updating their opening times on the app. We follow all of our employees. We follow all of our shops. We put in the data from their sales. We've increased the use of the app quite a lot. For instance, now we're checking all the stock on the app. Using Glide is probably saving us 1 or 2 full-time people for a person working in the company. We're planning on having an ambassador program in which we could have feedback from special customers that could let us know that they were welcomed well in our shops, if it goes well with the product they bought. So we've built something for it. It's not out yet. It's much easier now to share data or news across the company. The fact that you can share videos, news, figures is making it much easier for people to find out what's going on in the company. There is a better feeling of community in the company. Great time saver. It's very, very intuitive. We work with lots of systems all around. Glide is by far the simplest and the most powerful system we use.